Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am BC, a lifestyle fashion model blogger based in Dallas. Today I came with my favorite find for you guys. I am going to share with you the best on the $50 wig on Amazon. The best, like the very best. I ordered this wig. If you are into wig and like something natural that people would think is your ear, then get this wig. How do I know it's a great wig even without using it yet? Because this is my second purchase here. This is my second purchase. I love it that much. So this is the one that I've been using. I bought it in 2022, the beginning of 2022, and I have worn this wig so much. It is not a human hair, it's a synthetic hair, but I absolutely love it. It lasts me for a good 1 year, and that is because of how much I wear it. So let's get into it. Let me show you the detail of the wig and tell you what I like about it. So this is the wig, the old one that I have. I've used it a lot, put so much water on it, and it has actually fall. But for, I think it's $48 or $49 for that amount, it is a really good unit, and it has lasted me for a while. So now I'm gonna try this on. I usually just put this on my head and then put the wig on. So I'm just gonna put it on so you guys can see. So many people usually think it is my ear, and they're like, you have a beautiful ear. I'm like, thank you, thank you. I need to cut this. Oh, okay. The only difference that I'm noticing from this one to the previous one is that I feel like the other one was a little bit fuller. I don't know if it's after using it that it gets fuller, but it's not too bad. It's just that this is so full, and sometimes I don't like how full it is, but it still, you know, bring the look. So this is kind of like a little bit lighter, which I like. But I don't know if it's gonna be fuller after using it for a while. But yeah, let's put this on and see. And I do not like using glue, and I don't know how to use it, so that is why I don't like even taking my time to use it. So I just use this band. I used to have the ear net thing that I can put, but it makes my head hot, so I just like using this one, and this is perfect for me. Perfect. So I can just put this here. It has the pin in it, like 3 pin, which I really love to use. It makes it stay secure, so I love that. AliExpress used to be my favorite place to buy wig. But they have gotten so expensive, like, oh my god. So this is the look. I'm gonna go cut this and come back so I can show you guys the final look of how the wig turned out. So this is the wig on. I did not put any glue, like I show you guys the band that I use. I really love it. I really love the way it turned out. It is so easy. I feel like putting glue takes a lot of time. That's why I've not really learned more about it, but this is working for me right now, especially when I need to go to work early in the morning. I just put this in my head and start going. So I absolutely love it, and it's really lightweight. Even when it looks fuller on my head, you can't really feel anything. And for summer, it works amazing too during the summer. So this is what we have. This is it. So if you're looking for an affordable wig, definitely get this one. Try it, especially if you like curly ear. I feel like this one are low maintenance. You don't have to do too much. Like with a straight one, you have to stretch it, you have to, you know, but this one I can just put some product to it, maybe add a little bit of water, and then I am good to go. But this is it out of the pack, no product, no water, just how it came exactly for $50. Yes. So let me know what you think. Are you a fan of curly wig, or even just wig in general? I am not a big fan of wig, so this is the thing. I do not like wig, but this is one of my favorite that I can still use. I just like to have my hair actually done. That is all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna link this here in my Amazon storefront and also the description below, so you can check it out and get it for less than $50. Bye bye.